Klaxon. Now repeat after me. Klaxon, klaxon, klaxon. Meaning: a klaxon is a loud electric horn often used as a warning signal, commonly on vehicles or in factories to alert people of danger. In a sentence, the sound of the klaxon warned everyone to evacuate the building immediately. Here, klaxon refers to a loud horn used to signal an emergency. Let's try another example. The ship's klaxon blared as it approached the dock, alerting workers of its arrival. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using klaxon. Synonyms. Some related terms for klaxon are siren, a loud sound used as a warning; horn, a device that produces a loud noise, typically on vehicles; antonyms. The opposite of klaxon would be silence, the absence of sound; soft chime, a gentle, quiet sound; part of speech. Klaxon is a noun, referring to a loud warning horn. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.